All right, quiet on the set.
I'm Robert Jones for InstallerParts, and today we are going to defend the planet of Krull. Well, maybe not, but we are going to install the 23 to 55 inch full motion LED or LCD TV motion arm for curved or flat screen TVs. These sturdy TV mounts are rated for televisions up to 55 inches, 77 pounds, or 35 kilos. That's pretty amazing considering that TVs keep getting larger and lighter. All right, let's go defend the planet. I mean, do a TV mount installation. Krull, Krull.
For this install, you will need a power drill, a 3/16 inch or 4.5 millimeter drill bit, a metric socket wrench, blue tape, a tape measure, a Phillips screwdriver, medium or large, a flathead screwdriver, medium or large, a pencil, a level, and a stud finder is very helpful.
Okay, you guys, we've determined that this is the location we're going to place our mount today. We've also found out where the studs are. We use the stud finder. Put this on the wall. There's the side. There's the side. These are great tools. If you don't have one, I suggest trying one. Okay, so inside the wall here, we have wood studs. If you are doing in masonry or brick, you can check the instructions for more information on how to do that. We're not going to cover that here today, but it's there for you. Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your location does not have any power or water pipes or anything like that. We are going to be drilling into the studs, and so we are just fine where we're at, but you need to check the location in your home. We've got our mounting arm here. There's the position where we're going to put it. We've marked it there. Now, let me explain a couple little things. On the back here, you'll see this is the plate that's going to go against the wall. There's lots of different holes for screws. We're going to be using, since we're doing into wood studs, the center hole here, here, and here. Now, if you're doing in masonry or you're not quite sure of the position, there are also slide holes here, which can give you a little angular motion to get it just right for where you're at. What we're going to do is turn this flat. We're going to put it against the wall. And then, I've already done it, but we're going to mark this hole, and this hole. There you go. And now you know where we're going to drill. Let's get the drill. All right, you guys, we've got our drill bit ready to go. This is a 10 millimeter or 3/8 inch. We're going to be drilling 60 millimeters or 2.4 inches deep. Just because I only have two hands, I have the two screws started by hand. I also have my power machine here. Now we're just going to put the 3 bolts in the wall where we drilled it previously. How about that? Now, let's get our level and make sure we're level. All right, we've got our level. Just put it on the side here. Ours is magnetic. Hopefully it'll stick. Nope, but that's all right. Just going to get it up here and make sure it's level. There's ours, and tighten it down. Still level. Look at that, attached to the wall. All right, let's put our pieces together. Okay, I grabbed our fitted pieces here. This is to make the glamour happen. This one goes on the bottom, snaps on. This one goes on the top, slides down and snaps on. And then this one goes here in the middle. Ta-da! Looking nice. All right, now let me show you some tricks.
All right, you guys, to start off the installation of this monster, we need to assemble the TV mounting bracket first. There are various configurations possible with this. Please refer to the manual for one or more that might fit your TV, or just try out a couple until you're happy. You just need to make sure that the screw holes line up with your TV. Getting the arms and plate lined up and facing the right direction is critical for success. You want to center the piece with the flat side facing up, and the 3 attached screws on the back facing down. Also, you want to be sure that the 2 screws are facing up, in other words, at the top of your TV. Next, the arm attachments. These are easy as you want the 2 dimple bumps to face up. Use 2 screws to attach each arm. Be sure they are tight as the weight of your entire TV is resting on these. Next, flip the whole thing over and add the 2 nuts to the 2 screws at the top. Turn them down just far enough so that they are flush with the screw posts. Go ahead and leave the third one off, as you're going to need to feed the screw post through a hole in the TV mount arm.
All right, you guys, remember Mr. Crawl here? Crawl. Okay, so the way that this attaches, I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see on the camera. There are two hooks here that are open and then one here at the bottom. Now, if you remember, I only put the two nuts on here and left the one on the bottom open. That's because once you put this on here with your TV, it's just going to slide down, and then we'll put the last nut here at the bottom. I'll do it because we're going to do it later. So, once this is on here with your TV, you're going to screw these down nice and tight, and then put this one on and screw it down nice and tight as well. And then you'll see the TV will be attached like that. All right, let's get the TV. All right, so I turn this around sideways so you guys can see here. If you look here on the back where this attaches, so this is actually on the arm, there are two bolts here and they are tightened down with an Allen wrench. Once you get your TV in place, there is a possibility that you could change the angle. You can change it to there, or you can change it back there. Once you get it in place, go ahead and tighten these two bolts down and you'll have the perfect angle for viewing. Okay guys, I got my TV, I got the mount on the back, and now I'm just going to pop it here on the end of the arm. Just lift it up, drop the two screws, and then the other one. Oh, and then remember this guy. He's going on the back here. Now I'm just going to tighten her down a little bit. All right, you guys, check it out. It's on the swivel. You can see there. It turns. It moves back and forth. We are good to go. We can now angle this out for the room. All right, you guys, check it out. Our TV is hung. All you got to do is a little cord management and then move it into place. You can see this has a lot of range of motion all over the place. And check this out. You can even put it flat against the wall. Oh! I hope you enjoyed learning how to install this TV mount today. As you can see, it's easy to do and you can do it.
I'm Robert Jones for Installer Parts. Subscribe. More videos. Dancing. Video. Come on back and subscribe. This YouTube channel can only get better.